boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much, my friends. As you know, my friends, The Scoop is for your education, your information, and your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I write these books, my friends. You can find my books on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook. Just look under Mickey D-E-E and order all of them, my friends, because you will enjoy all of them. Include what is, Josh's book is in here. They're blaming a lot of this gambling on some of these crazy companies like Hertz going up from the gamblers. So if you really want to make money on sports, Josh Bronson's book, we brought it out during the Super Bowl because there was a lot of bettors wanting the Super Bowl, and some guys did really well with it. They said they like that book. Amazon.com, my friends. My friends, I want to wish you, all you gentlemen out there, a happy Father's Day. It's Father's Day weekend. Hope you had a great Juneteenth yesterday. Hope you enjoyed yourself. Hope this weekend you're with you and your family and you're really having a good time, my friends. That is really great. Even though Father's Day is, it's debatable as to what the best, Mother's Day or Father's Day. Megan or Marcia, you guys know that Mother's Day is usually bigger than Father's Day. But we have our day, and we enjoy it. You guys know what's going on in America right now. You know what's happening. There's a lot going on in this world, my friends. But I know I have listeners all over and subscribers all over the world, my friends. And I know, first and foremost, we have to put food on the table because we're providers, and we have to make money. And that's what we do, my friends. I could go on and I could talk about what's going on in the world for hours, but I like to devote this time to my Scoop subscribers as to try and stay on point as much as I can. It's difficult. It's tough, my friends. I tell you, it's tough. You hear things like, this guy out there saying that he made Juneteenth famous. Make you scratch your head and say, wonder what's going on here. Somebody, Robin Hood trader commits suicide. What? Options trading, what's going on here? You guys know The Scoop, man. You guys, I've worked with you. You gotta have a strong stomach, man. You can't, with these trades, these stocks go up like, up, down, up, down, up, down. So, my friends, you gotta catch these things. You gotta time them and stuff, and that's something we've done exceptionally well ever since the the .coms back in the day. No, you probably never heard of me or never seen me. Is it your first time, my friends? No, I'm not new to this business. I've been in here for a long time. I love these big runs that are coming, like we're getting ready to have right now. We'll be talking about here in a second. These are great times to be a trader, my friends. If you come in, Johnny come lately and you came here, these guys have been talking about this stuff for the last 3 and 5 years and stuff. The timing's been off, my friends. But now it looks like things are starting to really, really come and kind of manifest themselves. And this stuff is going to really, really happen. And some people are going to be probably as well off as they've ever been in their entire life. So look forward to that, my friends. In The Scoop, we're deeply prepared. We're deeply confident that this stuff is going to happen. Please don't mistake our confidence as arrogant. We're not. I'm a humbled young man, just an OG, just doing my thing here on YouTube, making people bread, putting that paper out there. You know what I'm saying? So, my friends, there's a lot going on, though, and things have been brought to my attention. One of our subscribers, Harmel, thank you very, very much, my friends. He noticed that, Mickey D, The Scoop has gone over 4,000 subscribers. I say, that's a good one, man. 4,000, 4K club. Congratulations to you, my friends, because as we pick better stocks and we do better and better and people make money and money and money and do their thing, that's what makes the subscribers go up, my friends, because it's not my personality or anything. You see, I'm dry and whatever, man. I'm not going to win the stand-up comedian award or anything. Nobody's going to ever accuse me of being exciting. I mean, talking about gold and silver and Bitcoin and, exciting? I don't know. Cannabis? What what's going on here, my friends? But let's talk about the markets here for a second, my friends. Lots of sideways trading, lots of stuff going on all over. I mean, you name it. Look right now. What did gold do? Gold rallied up Friday. Yesterday up a 1.5%. It closed 1746, 1750, wherever we're right in that area right there. We can't hold a 1750. You guys know the deal. Silver's the same way. Silver's like $17.50 or so. 17. I think it went over 17 like 62 or so. But we're right there. We're talking gold silver ratio. We're talking even 100. Let's just say 1750 for $17.50 an ounce of silver for $1,750 for an ounce of gold. So we're right there, 100. Now, I've told you traditionally this gold silver ratio over the last 30 years or so, it'll be going down. So that means silver price has to go up. Now, am I going to rally silver up? Silver, go. No, over time, my friends. It's going to take time, but it is going to go up. And we do believe that's going to be a good thing, my friends. I'll tell you here about a little gold company here in a minute here. A little baby knockout that we're kind of excited about. But it's for the most part, it's just been gold, silver has been quiet on the home front, my friends. Also, my friends, let's segue over to uranium. Uranium's been quiet on the home front also, my friends. We'll see in the next weeks or two. I mean, there's nothing really happening right now. We'll see in the next weeks and months to come if things are going to wake up there, my friends. One of our baby knockouts, Western Uranium and Vanadium, George Glacier. Remember I told you OG? OG's having a little rough time right now. The stock is going down, but have no fear, man. This week, Western Uranium and Vanadium, I'll be looking to add some shares because they have on the 24th, they'll be meeting with some officials there, permit issues, paperwork issues. We'll see how that goes. And then on the 29th, they'll be having their annual meeting. So, my friends, speaking of annual meetings, and I'll talk about another one here in a second. You guys get these in the mail? Are you guys taking care of your business, your proxies and stuff? You guys voting on this stuff? You guys voting on this stuff? You guys get these and you're voting on this stuff, guys? Sometimes they'll send you they'll give you the information. There's stuff on there, that we have to vote on as shareholders. So, there's something on here. What are they going to do here? Consider if thought fit, approve without or full text resident. Information circle under heading approval of common share consolidation. I mean, that's important. If somebody's going to do a reverse split or somebody's going to do a forward split or something, and a lot of times we don't understand what the stock is doing. Well, they've got these proxies out to everybody, and everybody's getting ready to vote on a 100 to 1 or something, something crazy. 1,000 to 1 reverse split or whatever, forward split or whatever, whatever it is. And sometimes we got to understand that, and that's what we do. I follow up on all this stuff, my friends, and see when exactly is going on. Like this particular one, I'm wondering why our baby knockout, really fission, is kind of stalled, while the market has gone up a little bit. It's kind of stalled, and then I get the proxy, and let's take a look at this, man. Maybe remember OWCP when they were going to do that reverse, and we voted it down. Remember that? Just a year or so ago. Was it a year ago? Months ago or so. We voted that down. Management wanted to do that. I hate reverses, man. I hate reverse. And I'm not saying Fission's doing a reverse. I'm just saying that I will be voting on that. I want to make sure you guys are doing the same thing with your companies. And that's how we find out about little things. Like our little baby knockout. I'll tell you here in the story. Because Mike P turned us on to that. And Mike, we hope you get better. Hope the kids are taking care of you and stuff. He's been a little under the weather here lately. Also, my friend, somebody's been under the weather. The Lewis family in California. We wish them well as they go visit their family over in Colorado this week. They've got some ill family member also. So we wish them a speedy recovery and get back home, Godspeed, and everything will be fine, my friends. But these companies, right, when they put information out and they want you to vote on it, that's what they want. They want you to vote on it. So we gotta exercise our right and then vote. Before I tell you about this gold baby knockout here, tell you about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is where's Bitcoin? You know where it is. With our cryptos, Bitcoin is 93 to basically, what do we say, 96, 9300, 9600. That's where it likes to camp out on weekends. So we'll see if anything else happens. And between Ethereum likes to hang out between like 220, 230 to like 250. So we'll see where it hangs out next week. You know, if there's not a lot happening there, my friends, there's a possibility that this coming up week, there may be some little corrections here. I believe of all our areas, I believe gold is probably, well, silver is probably in the best position right now to do something as far as a breakout is concerned. But I don't see anything happening right now. I believe uranium is kind of scaring me a little bit at the potential of what it can do on the upside. That's what's going on right now with uranium. Because, my friends, uranium right now, with all the mines closed, and we still believe in a supply-demand issue there. You know, as mines stay closed, you know, the supply is dwindling where, you know, they had a lot. They were oversupplied anyway. But as you reach into that supply chain, and, you know, the demand is still there, people are going to keep the lights on, you know, and they're going to have, you know, it's their country, what have you, France, United States, you know, we're not going to go out like that. So we believe in that story. So if, you know, if we hear from the Kazatomprom this week, if we hear from anything coming out of Russia, hey, they're going to close down things, we're going to continue our shut, you know, of the mines or what have you, we'll see if that's a catalyst to get things going with, we'll see. We'll just see, you know, it could be in Cigar Lake up in Saskatchewan. We'll see if they're going to restart or if they even talk about, you know, even though they said, you know, they're going to open up for a different reason. You know, it's the price of uranium. We'll see. We'll see. You know, a lot of things coming out, a lot of people saying a lot of things, a lot of, you know, chirping and stuff. That's part of this business. And it's been part of this business as long as I've known, my friends. So chirping is going to be chirping. It's going to be chirping. My friends, make sure you are informed, because there's a stock in here. I'm going to tell you about this baby knockout right now. My friends, this is a baby knockout. Mike P. also has been talking about it for a while. My chief moderator there. He's been talking about it for a while. There's a little company in here in my bonus section in the back. In marijuana today, vanadium and uranium tomorrow. Companies to get in early, hold, and grow rich, right? I have a bonus section of marijuana stocks in the back where I list 10 marijuana stocks. The last stock there, I've been telling you guys about it for a while. Ely Gold Royalty, and I wrote it in a book, my friends. That's why it was in a book. It was in a while, but it was 8 cents. You know, when I started telling you about it, it was 8 cents. It closed today, my friends, at over $1.13, 14 USD, right? Now, there's another company here, and that's a royalty company. This company here is more of a prospect generator, where they got all these they got pieces of this and that and the other thing. They got a arrangement there, a partnership with BHP Billiton. You know, that's a big boy. BHP is a big boy out there. Company I'm telling you about is an exploration company, and they engage in exploration and development and stuff of different assets in the gold area, you know. And gold, my friends, gold is going to be going up. You know, Bank of America said it's going up to 3,000, right? Oh, Bank of America, what do they know? This prospect generator, though, stands to benefit when the price goes up. My friends, I'm talking about Riverside Resources, RVSDF, on the over-the-counter, RVSDF, over-the-counter. What is it? RRI.V. RRI, I'm sorry, RRI.V on the Vancouver Stock Exchange, RRI.V on the Vancouver Stock Exchange, and then R99F, R99.F in Frankfurt, over in Europe, R99.F. 14 cents USD right now, about 19 cents in Canada, and about 11 cents on the Frankfurt Exchange. Baby knockout, my friends. New baby knockout. Nope, it's not in. This is new, and it's one that like I said, Mike P, my chief moderator, mentioned it quite a few times. But it's a good little stock that we think has the potential to do. When I introduced, Ely at 8 cents, this stock is positioned also if the gold and silver price go up, which we believe they will. They've already done. They've got high grade targets. They've got got a spin outcome that's passed, I believe, and they've got also they've got it. They've got something behind them, and we believe that the stock will. As the gold and silver prices go up, we believe that Riverside Resources will respond accordingly, my friends. And that's the way we feel about Riverside Resources there. Friends, good little stock to keep on your watch list. Now, we don't go out any of these stocks. There's no need, my friends, to go out and jump on anything right now. To go out and run and jump on some stock. No, not even Riverside Resources. Put it on your watch list and keep an eye on it for days and days to come, my friends. We're not stockbrokers. We're not money managers. We're not financial advisors, my friends. We're authors. That's what we do, my friends. And that part there is what I want to make clear to you. I do not want you going out and running and buying these stocks. Keep an eye on them, and if they fit your the way you trade, and if they fit your portfolio, then that's what you do, my friends. You don't you go out and jump on them. But I am, like I said, this week I will be looking to add to Western uranium and vanadium and any other weakness in that uranium area, because I do feel something is getting ready to jump off. But many of us have felt that way for a long time. So we'll see. We'll see. Take it day by day, my friends, and we'll see how it goes. But with that said, love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Take care of Pops this weekend, my friends. I'm going to spend some time with my Pops, and we're going to have a good time, my friends. It's great. It's great to have your family, be able to spend some quality time with your family, my friends. And as you guys, we're dads and husbands first, and then everything else takes care of itself. God, family, and friends, right? That's the way we do it, my friends. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a great, great weekend. I don't think there's anything else I wanted to tell you. Oh, I said 110 degrees, my friends, this week. 43 degrees Celsius. Oh, my goodness, my friends. It's going to be a scorcher. But just remember, just a reminder, you guys take care of those proxies and stuff, and that way you can find out what's going on also. And with your company, you voted on your company, then you let us know on the scoop. That's official stuff. You get an official document from the company saying at the bottom, see what they say is it's small writing, my friends. It's real small. See that little small writing? Well, that's what they're going to do. See? And when they say that, they want to do an offering. They want to do a stock split. Oh, that's why the stock is going down. Everybody's received them that's an investor, and they're selling. Well, I like for our subscribers to know what the deal is also, my friends. With that said, love you. God bless you. Like I said, take care of you and your family. Have a great, great weekend.